Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And if you are my returning subscribers, hello everybody. It's so good to have you back and we're going to have a battle today. And if you're new here, this may be something new to you, but I'm going to battle 2 boxes. So you may want to consider to subscribe, hit that notification bell, because guess what? There'll be a giveaway with this particular battle. And we do this every once in a while. We let Bombay and Cedar battle it out with Fabfitfun, and that's what we're going to have today. I have a mystery bag from Fabfitfun that's $29 and has 4 items guaranteed to be over $100 value. And I have an OUTCAST mystery box from Bombay and Cedar that's to be over $150 value, and it was $29. So it's 29 versus 29, both mysteries, and we're going to find out which is the better, and you get to help me as a subscriber, friend, and or as a new subscriber, or if you're just passing through. But I will tell you, to win the prize, you must be subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell, publicly subscribed. But anyways, there will be a prize, and we will have more information on that when we get to it. Right now, we're going to start off with Fabfitfun, and the way you are going to help me, you're going to rate Fabfitfun and our Bombay and Cedar 1 to 10. You're going to let me know which one you think was better, and you're going to rate the box or the bag so that we can find out which one is better, and you all choose it. But I'll go through the comments and I will add them all up and let you know who won. So we're going to start off with Fabfitfun. It always comes in a bag. This here was last year's, and they didn't even put a number on there. So I don't know what season it was, but it's got some pink boxes in there, and they look quite nice. And it looks like it's loaded with some skincare, but let's find out for sure. The first item I'm seeing is an intense brightening cream, and this is 20% vitamin C by Dr. Loretta. That is a good brand. Let's take a look at this. So it is a cream, but it is a cream with a pump. Oh, that's cool. So it's Dr. Loretta moisturizing cream, and this is my Fabfitfun. I'm going to squeeze a little out. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. I could use some brightening up on the back of my hand. It feels very nice. It's kind of got smells like a fruity scent to it, so I don't know what it has in it that's causing that scent. It says it's an intense brightening cream, 20% vitamin C, and it says that it'll protect against pollution, light, and climate, and irritants. It says after cleansing, prime skin with intense brightening serum. So yeah, you put this on your face once you have it cleansed, and you can use it on the back of your hands, as it says, and your neck. And it says use once a day for first 2 weeks, and then twice a day after you feel like your skin's tolerated. So that seems very interesting. I think I'd like trying that out. So I'll say that's a win. So I like that. One product. The next product I'm pulling out of here, in no particular order, is XO Sienna, and this is a nested dish. And let's see what this looks like. It's a nested dish. So that means that we've got 2 pieces. Oh, how cute. And it's going to nest. So you've got this trinket, and you've got this one that you can nest into it. And I would even say you could even use those separately if you wanted to. So that is very nice. Like that. Our next item I'm pulling out of here looks like it's something for your teeth. It says Extreme Whitening Gel Activated Charcoal, and it's in peppermint, and it's fluoride free, and says it removes plaque and stains. So you're gonna have a whitening gel all in one. So that's pretty cool. I think I'll like that too. Alright, well, this Fabfitfun box is pretty good so far. The last item that's in here is by Beekman 802, and it's milk drops. And this is a probiotic ceramide serum. And it's got goat milk, it says, and cholesterol and milk probiotic in it. So that sounds very good for your skin too. Let's check out this packaging in this little bag here. And here you go. It's little milk drops, just like it says. Nice. It's got a nice consistency. It doesn't have much of a smell. And it is a serum for probiotics. And it says, apply directly onto face and massage into skin. That is very nice too. So this is a pretty good Fabfitfun bag. What do you think? What would you rate this? Let me know in the comments. Now we're going to go on to Bombay and Cedar. Let's see if they can outdo this, because this is a pretty good Fabfitfun bag, I think. So you all let me know what you think. But as a reminder, we got our nesting trays that can be used together and actually can be used separately for little rings and different trinkets. We got our milk drops. We got our extreme whitening gel, and we got this Loretta vitamin C 20% cream for your face and hands. So very good, and I could definitely use that. I got all these dark marks from aging on the back of my hands, so that might help that. Okay guys, this is my box from Bombay and Cedar, and this was $29. Now we're going to find out what's in this box and compare it and let it battle out and see who wins this battle. Now I will tell you, most of the time Bombay and Cedar seems to win out, but you never know. So we're going to find out. And there'll be more than 4 items in here because they just packed this box up, and I'll just show you. I've got a few things falling out there. We'll just grab that. The first thing that I see is a Mood Matcher matte lip liner. And it looks like it's in a nice pink color. And I would like that, that's for sure. And then the next item that's right on top is a Kinder. And this is a hand set. This is a hand sanitizer and a luxury hand balm. So you've got 2 in 1. That is pretty cool. I like that. Now I have no idea what the value of these are. If I can find the values, I'll put it up on the screen so that we can find out what our total value was. But it'll be based on what I can find either through on their sites and or possibly Amazon. And sometimes I can go to the company's site, like this Beekman milk drops. I can go directly to their site and find out how much that is. So there's ways to do it. Now the next item I'm getting out of here, it says Over Easy Natural Pre-Drink Supplement, and it says you'll thank us in the AM. So this is a dietary supplement, and it looks like it's going to be one use. It says live your best life, and there's just one in there. It says poured coffee into your oatmeal. Next time, take it easy. But that is what we got, and I'm not overly sure. It just says pre-drink supplement. So if someone knows more about that product, you can let me know, because I don't have a product sheet, but that's what we got. The next item I'm pulling out of here is a book, and it's a heavy-duty book. It's heavy, and it is, excuse me, this is Cartoons, Complaints, and Notes to Self by Linda Fink. And on the inside, we're going to just have a bunch of cartoon sayings in here. So I don't know if there's one that we can particularly read. That one there says, did I really want to catch this? Did I really want to catch this? And it looks like it has a man down in there or something. Oh my goodness. And then it's got me, 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 us, 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 us. So me, me, me plus me, me, me equals us, us, us. And then can't see. Not sure exactly. I guess it's going to be some dry humor. Here's one, excuse me, is anyone sitting here? I guess there's not, so that's an oxymoron. And then, excuse me, is anyone sitting there? And they're pointing way over there. Well, there's nobody sitting there, is there? Oh my goodness. So it's just little funny things. So if you need to kind of de-stress a little bit, you can probably just pick up this book and get a couple of funnies out of here. So a little different, I suppose, but that's what we got. The next item that I'm seeing in here are a couple of little samples, and it looks like we got, I don't know, Galenay. They're both Galenay samples, and one is a hand cream and one is a face cream, and I've never heard of that product, but I'm sure with Bombay and Cedar it's vegan free and what have you. We got us a Yum Earth organic fruit snacks, and these looks to be like little gummies, so that'll be interesting. We got us a face sugar scrub. So we have a face sugar scrub that's natural. It's natural exfoliating products, and it's citrus fresh. So that must be the scent. And then the last item I'm seeing in here is another book. They were book heavy. Yes Way Rosé. This says, and it looks like it's had some damage to it there, just so y'all know. Maybe someone pulled off the price tag. I'm not sure, but that's weird. And it says, A Guide to Pink Wine State of Mind. And I don't drink pink wines, but maybe I could find out my way to drinking pink wines. So it looks like it's just a whole book on the rosé. For example, here's a page that's got light as a feather, stiff as a rose. And then over here on this side it says, maybe she's born with it, maybe it's a rose. And that there's just a colorful page of pink. Then we've got Summertime Radness, and this looks to be like a little bit of a recipe for this drink over here. So this could be very interesting to find out different recipes and different things. They've got birthday cake crispies. So there's recipes in here that has to do with the rosé wine, things that either you use rosé wine with for baking. There's a page here that looks yummy. It's called Ladies Night. So I guess if you're prepping for a party and you're going to use pink, which is my favorite color. And they've got all kinds of recipes in here. Here's one called Tuna Tarte Crisp. So very interesting. It says, are you ready to partay and step into the world seen through rose-colored glasses? Yes Way Rose. From wine production and geographic to recipes to cocktails for the perfect soiree, this stylish tribute to the blush beverage is equal parts of informative and celebration. Authors, best friends, and co-founders Erica Blumenthal and Nikki Hugener share how to cultivate a life overflowing with roses, with rosé vibes, and an ultimate guide to the pink wine state of mind. So very interesting. So okay, so that's my Bombay and Cedar, and this was my OUTCAST. So OUTCAST, I guess, means nobody wanted it, or it's sitting there and they just want to get rid of it. But I got this book, Yes to Rosé. I got this funny, excuse me, book with a bunch of cartoons in it on every page, and this is thick. It's got like 400 pages of cartoons. Nothing but different cartoons that are going to be silly antics. So that's cute. And on the back of this, I can tell you the retail value of this is $20 because it's got it on there. So we'll know some of the pricing just because it's on there. See if it's on this book. This book has a value of $26. So right there we've got $45. I don't know if anything has pricing on it, but nope. But books usually do have pricing on it. So we had those two books. We had our Kind, we had our Scrub, and we had our Fruity Snacks. We've got our EZ pre-drink supplements. I'm still not quite sure about that. And then we got our two little samples here. So that's what the Bombay and Cedar, oh, and don't forget our lip liner. Now, those were the two. Let's rate them both and you let me know who the winner is. Now, about the giveaway. This giveaway is going to be a mystery. You're going to receive a mystery from me, and it's going to consist of at least 4 items or more because we want to at least stack it up like with Fabfitfun. So in order to enter this giveaway, you need to use the word rose. ROSE, and you will be entered into this giveaway. And the giveaway again will be a nice little package put together, a mystery package, and some of it could include some of the items that you just saw, but it will definitely go to one of you. This giveaway will last until February 28th, so the last day of February, and the winner will be announced on March 1st. So be sure and put your keyword in there and you can be entered. You must be 18 years or older. You must have an address within the Continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell, YouTube, and our Bombay and Cedar, and our Fabfitfun. None of these are affiliated with this giveaway and or with this video in any way. I have paid and bought all the items that I have shown you, and anything that I send you has either come in a box or has been given to me and or I have purchased on my own. If you are sensitive to things, be sure to test a little area. If you were to have allergic reaction, I am not responsible for that. And also, I will send this by postal service, and I am not responsible if they lose it or damage it in any way. But I will package it up to the best of my ability, and hopefully it will get there all in one piece with no problems. So, like I said, it's going to be a mystery. Use the secret code word and you will be entered. Now, as far as my descriptions, be sure and check it, because I do have current giveaways and our collaborations that are out there, other opportunities to win. And I know right off the bat, I can think I have the Dollar Tree train. I have a couple of collaborations coming out during the month of February, so they'll be added in as they are published. So like I said, be sure and check that, and I always have a few surprises here and there. But that is all I have for this battle. Who's the winner? Did Fabfitfun outdo Bombay and Cedar this time? I think it's all going to depend on you and how you vote, so let me know. But as for today and this battle, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.